So 99 Honda Civic SI transmission with Chucky. What else has been done to it?
The motor was completely rebuilt. It's just a D-Series in it.
D-Series motor.
Has about 4,000 miles on the motor.
4,000 miles. It's clean for a 99.
VTEC head next.
VTEC head, but it's fully straight pipe right now. So we're gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like before. You guys can see it's loud. Here's idle. Right at 76. Go ahead. Again. It's one of the loudest Civics you're gonna hear. Again. There's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. So it's right at 122. Again. We're gonna try to help him out. He doesn't want it this loud anymore, so we're gonna try to make it a little bit quieter. Not too much, but just a little bit. All right, turn it off. So as you guys can see, it's got headers and straight pipe all the way. Straight pipe all the way back. Look at that. Headers, straight pipe all the way to the back. So we're going to try to help him out. We're going to go ahead and slap on a Netami 18-inch resonator right there, made by good old Netami. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. We're going to put that sucker right in the center right there. And then we're going to finish it off. Where's that purple tip? He's got the purple tip. He ran away with it. There's the purple tip right there that we're going to put on it to match the purple look of the car. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to hook it up. All right, guys, 99 Honda Civic. That's crazy. You guys think it's crazy? Let me know in the comments. I like it. I like the purple on it. It's a good looking color. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So still got the long tubes, headers. Then what we did is install the Netami Resonator, 18 inches long, right there. And then 2.5-inch continues all the way back. And then we installed a Netami purple tip. So there'll be a link in the description for both. If we can find them for you guys. Check the description for a link. But that fits it so much better. It's a cleaner look. Fits the purple perfectly. What do you guys think? You guys like the purple on purple, a lot of purple? Let me know. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go. Let's see what Netami can do for this Civic. Go ahead. This is idle, guys. Let it idle.
It does have an idle problem because the computer is reading it in automatic.
Yeah. It's manual.
Manual now. So that's what we're going to do next.
Give it gas.
Still louder. Still loud.
Wait, but now you can actually. Like my ears
don't have that crack.
That
like
rasp.
crack.
Yeah.
It's at 195 now.
Yeah.
122.
Go ahead. Yeah, 113. Wow. Again. Rev it up. High. 120. Still better than what it was.
But it doesn't have that crack, man.
Well, it wasn't.
It just doesn't have that crack,
Yeah.
though. That has that more of a...
And
It still sounds
since
muffled.
when you're gonna keep revving it that
Yeah,
hard
I
anyways?
don't at all.
Rev it normal? Yeah. That's a lot cleaner. Once you do the tune on it right, I think it'll be perfect.
Yeah,
Don't forget your popcorn. It's like your popcorn, yeah. That's a good stance on that car too.
Yeah, and it's...
I like it.
I was on a lower rim than the last one. That's a black rim on it.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Netami did their job? Or is it still too loud? I think it's a little bit quieter, cleaner. It cleaned it up. It didn't make it a lot quieter. It cleaned up the sound for it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. know he's still working out the clutch issue with the SI because the computer thinks it's an automatic. It's so loud. Wow. We tried to help, guys. We really did. It's a lot quieter than it was, though. You can still hear it. That's crazy. Enjoy, guys.